Hi YouTube, it's Alfie here from Super Flaming Camels, and today I'm going to show you how to get a coloured keyboard like this one onto your iDevice. So you want to go to Cydia and wait for it to load. You will notice if you're on Cydia and you're using any themes that it doesn't show up at the top. So you want to navigate to the search tab at the bottom and type in keyboard. And again, you need to wait for Cydia to load. So when Cydia is loaded, you want to go down until you find Colour Keyboard, which has CK in a red square, and it's from IHR, in brackets IHR-tweaks, so this one here. You want to go ahead and install it. I'm not going to because I already have it on my device. So after that, you want to exit out of Cydia and go, and your device will have to restart Springboard. So just let your device respring, and then you want to go into your settings menu, and then you want to go down until you find Colour Keyboard, and here you go. So what you want to do is you want to go to select themes, find any theme you like. I'm going to go with orange black there. So then you want to exit out of it, push save. So your device is going to respring now. And after that you should just go along to your keyboard and you will have a coloured keyboard. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, rate, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.